not DFU mode, restore mode, just holding both buttons until you see the iTunes. It can take some time. Oh, there you go. When you see this, you have to go on iTunes and click on let's just wait, and click on update. And just click updates, and it's gonna update. So I'm gonna pause the video and I'm gonna be back once it's done. As you can see, it's restoring. I haven't changed the iPhone. As you can see, it's the same one. Let's see, with the bubble right there, you can tell it's restoring. Updating iPhone software, and I'll be back once it's done. It's almost done. As you can see, well, it's done. Sorry, that's the only one I have plugged to my computer, so you don't think I'm doing another one just to prove that it works. I knew my passcode, just that I had it in my pocket and it put the password many times, and that's why I got it disabled. But in my case, as you can see, it's in Spanish, but okay. Let's see if we can turn. Let's see, the light, it's little. Okay, so I'm gonna slide, and then now it asked me for the password. In my case, it's 0666, and now it's updating, finishing updating. I'm not gonna pause the video anymore, so you can check that I'm not lying about this. The only thing is that you only have to wait for an update. Like you can wait until a new update comes up, and and the only thing is that it's only gonna work if you put it on restore mode, not DFU mode. So, because if you put it in DFU mode, it's not gonna give you the option to update the iPhone. So just wanted to mention that. This is an iPhone 5s. I guess it should work with any iPhone 5 or 5C, 6 Plus should work. Obviously, it's without losing your data. As you can see, I'm gonna go through. Okay, now you can see it's asking me for the password. Put the password, and then it says update completed. Continue, and I have to select the Wi-Fi. Let me just put my Wi-Fi. Okay, Wi-Fi. Just wait. I have to pause the video because this phone only gives me 5 minutes. So it's doing this thing, and as you can see, it's done. I didn't lose any pictures or anything like that. So it's all done. So I hope you like this video and enjoy, and thumbs up. Thank you for watching.